All right. Okay, I want to welcome everybody to another episode of RG22 Outdoor Adventures. And today it looks like I've got this hole to myself. I'm going to be trying some new floats out. Just made them, so let's see how they work. Just going to be drifting some flies underneath the float. And hopefully we start getting some steelhead. And let's get... There we go. A lot of people were using pink egg sacks, it looks like. Let's see how this float works. Oh wow, this hits really high up. Wow. But it works. I'm impressed. I think we need some more weight on this. Okay, I'm happy. First drift was a success. Tracked nicely. Let's try making a cast. Let's see what this does. It needs a lot more weight, most definitely. Cast. I like this float. I think we're going to start making more of these things. I don't know if you guys can see it up right there. I don't know if you can see this, that orange dot drifting through. I want to see this thing go under. So I think I need to put more weight on and deeper. It tracks beautifully. Wow. All right, let's go deeper. Let's really slow this thing down and put some more weight on this. Oh, they're in the tailouts. They're in the tail outs. Oh, come on. It's a nice one. That's the biggest one I've got this year. Bring it in broadside too. I got it in the fin. What the heck? That sucks. Oh well. Nice fish. I don't want to break the rod. Okay, there we go. Ooh, nice one. Nice release. There it goes. That's a beautiful fish. That was awesome. Yeah. All right, we got one. I knew they were in there. It's white. They want white. Okay, so all right, here we go. We got one. That's number 3 for today. Number 3. Oh, this feels like a nice one too. We'll just tire them out. There we go. All right. I gotta be aware of where I am with the camera. Ooh. This is a fighter. Wow. This is a hot fish. Damn. All right. This is gonna be a tough one to land too. There's no good place to land it over here. Can you folks see him? Oh man. Wow, this is it's a nice fish. Oh, popped off, darn it. Okay, well, you know what? I had a really good day today fishing. I got 3 steelhead. Found some pretty big ones. I think probably they were all the 3 that I hooked were probably between maybe 5 and 7 pounds. The floats worked out awesome. I'm really happy with them, so it's something I'm going to really pursue and keep making. And other than that, I mean, I had a good day. Great day fishing, a lot of yarn and beads. Water was perfect in color. So thanks everybody for watching, and I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video.